How you do? Brick Pop enthusiast here. Welcome to episode 3 LEGO Speed Champion series. In this episode, featuring Koenigsegg Jesko set 76900. It might be underrated, as it is one of the cheapest LEGO you can find on Amazon Europe. In my opinion, it's one of the most beautiful models among the Speed Champions collection, so definitely don't sleep on this model. It will be extremely fun to build with a lot of stickers involved. You can find the product's link in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. A little backstory on how I started collecting LEGO again. I've only recently started collecting these LEGO Speed Champions. Currently, this is the only LEGO I collect, as of right now. So how did it start? Somewhere in November, I went out Christmas shopping for my nephews. They both are around the age of 9. They love anything about LEGO. So if they're listening right now, they will have a hint of what they will get on Christmas. But first, relax, enjoy, and have a sip of that coffee. Back to the story, I was shopping for the kids, and I saw this Fast and Furious set in the store. I was immediately in love with this set. I had to have it, so I bought both O'Connor's Nissan Skyline and Toretto's Dodge Charger set. I grew up with this movie franchise. It's one of the reasons why I really had to have these two particular sets. Since I started collecting the Speed Champion series, I got exposed to the rabbit hole of vast amount of LEGO that I would like to collect and share with you. I also will be making my own creation in the future. I'll keep it at one series every time, just so I don't jump from series to series. Please like and subscribe, and thank you in advance. It would be extremely helpful if you would press that like and subscribe button to help the channel grow so we can build more LEGO on this channel in the future. As mentioned before, there are a lot of stickers involved on this build. Just take your time with the stickers. Don't rush it, it's what makes the build look good. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one. Peace.